as you can, right, we're back. Okay, so today it's coding the injectors. Not really sure what numbers I'm looking for. As you can see, this one has been virtually obliterated, so I'm not sure. Let's go back to this one. Okay, so it's that one. And obviously then we've got that one. I think it's that one that is the problem, because 1, 3 and 4 are showing 15 plus square cubed. This one is showing 6. If somebody in the comments wants to correct me on that and tell me it's the other way around, please do, because this is the first diesel vehicle I've ever had. I've always only ever had petrols. Obviously I've had to remove all the top covers, the wiring loom, the little oil cap. I've got another engine cover here. There's the other engine cover. See that one there? So this engine cover is held on obviously by a selection of 5mm female hex. This engine cover is held on by some 8mm standard bolts. Apparently there's one bolt that if you don't put it in, it leaks. But at the moment I don't know which bolt that is. Oh, and of course I've had to unplug this beast, this from here. But that's fairly simple, that's self-explanatory. So, obviously at the moment I don't really want to go down the route of removing the injectors, because all this, where's my finger? There it is. All these bolts and this manifold has to come off, which is an absolute horrible job to do. Oh, and by the way, I've also got the BMW adapted PCV valve in this. Whether it's doing any good, don't know. So join me again when I'm ready to start coding. You've joined me back. Now I have done. Oh, hold on. No, you can't. Oh, this sun is really terrible. It's annoying. We complain about the sun. As you can see, I've now coded all the injectors. Injector 2 is still slightly lower, a lot lower, lower than all the others. So I'm going to speak to somebody over the weekend. I'm going to see what they suggest, because they know far more about diesel engines than I do. As you can hear, one of my neighbours is really unhappy with somebody. Again, it's typical around here, but hey. As you can see, cylinder 1 is 20mm cubed. Would somebody like to explain to me what cubed actually is? Is that millibars? I don't know. Cylinder 2 is now 12.69 and slowly creeping up. Earlier it was 6. Cylinder 3 is 13. Cylinder 4, as you can see, is 18. But cylinder 1 is now well over 20. And the engine is actually sounding quite nice. I don't know if you can hear that. Right, hold on. We're going to go around to the engine and we are going to have a little listen. Hopefully the phone, yes, look at my Coca-Cola. And we'll have a little listen. Oh, I've got all sorts of crazy things going on. I've got fans going on now. Oh, there. The engine doesn't sound too bad. So there we go. 2 more videos done. Now, in the comments, explain to me, have I done something wrong? Or am I there? Speak to you soon. Goodbye.